how to start streaming on Twitch for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to start streaming on Twitch. So if you're a beginner and new to Twitch, so first thing first, you'll have to make sure that you have a Twitch account. If you don't have a Twitch account, then you'll not be able to stream. So for that, go ahead and open up your Play Store. On the search box, type in Twitch. And once you type in Twitch, make sure that you have installed the application. If not, tap the install button and then install the application. In my case, I already have installed and I also have an account. Now the login procedure is way too simple. All you have to do is just provide in some of your contact details, your name, create a username and password, all sort of thing, and age verification, and that's basically how you can create a Twitch account. Once you're done creating a Twitch account, you might be recommended to follow some of the gaming platforms or some of the accounts, so you can go ahead and select it or just skip that part. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now you can start watching streams on Twitch, as well as you can start beginning your own streaming. So in order to begin with the streaming, you'll need to go ahead and tap the create button from the top right hand side corner. Now right at the bottom, you can see there's an option as go live. Just go ahead and tap the go live button. After that, you'll be asked what you actually want to stream for game or stream with IRL. If you have a link, you can go ahead and tap the stream with IRL or whatsoever, and in my case, I'm gonna go with stream games. And after that, you'll be asked to enable all sort of things, such as maybe enable microphone or overlays and all that. Go ahead and allow all of these permissions. Once you do that, you'll be able to stream on Twitch. So this is a basic guide on how you can begin streaming on Twitch. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.